Hello. Feeling like those stairs are getting steeper? Legs not as strong as they used to be? You're in the right place. I'm going to share 3 simple exercises you can start today to help you rebuild leg strength. Imagine yourself breezing up those stairs at 80 or playing with your grandkids without getting winded. Sounds good, right? Stick around, because I'll also be revealing the top recommended supplements to boost your leg strength. And answering the questions everyone's asking: does creatine really help, or can it hurt your kidneys? Does whey protein make a difference for leg strength? You won't want to miss this. But first, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more helpful content like this. And let me know in the comments, are your legs feeling weak? Where are you watching from? Let's get started. Why leg strength matters more than you think. Some reasons are obvious. You'll move with more ease. Strong muscles mean you won't get winded as easily. You'll have better balance and fewer falls. And we know how dangerous falls can be as we get older. You'll also maintain your independence. Getting out of bed, going to the grocery store, taking a walk in the park. Strong legs help you keep doing things on your own without relying on others. Here's something you might not know. Strengthening your legs is also a workout for your brain. It might sound surprising, but keeping your muscles active helps reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. It's even more effective than doing crossword puzzles. This is because muscle strengthening improves circulation and boosts those energy factories in your cells, in both your body and your brain. You've probably noticed that people with cognitive decline tend to walk slower. So, exercise is a win-win for your body and your mind. The sneaky thief of strength, sarcopenia. But here's the thing. As we age, we lose muscle mass and strength. It's called sarcopenia, and it's a silent thief, gradually robbing us of our strength and independence. It weakens our muscles, increases the risk of falls, and turns everyday activities into challenges. Did you know that muscle loss starts as early as your 30s? And if we don't do anything about it, by the time we're 80, we can lose nearly half of our muscle. And it's not just muscle mass that goes away, it's also muscle power, which is even more crucial. Power is what lets us react quickly, maintain our balance, and prevent falls. Without it, everything slows down, our reflexes diminish, and even climbing a single step becomes a struggle. The importance of strength training. So, are daily activities or light walks enough? Not really. Without specific training, our muscles get lazy and our body's responses get slower. If we let this weakness take hold, it's harder to regain strength later. That's why strength training is so important. Think of strength training as an investment in your retirement. Every exercise is a deposit you're making to ensure a stronger, healthier, and more independent older age. Just like saving money for your financial future, we need to invest in our physical strength today. 3 essential exercises you can do at home. Now that you understand why it matters, let's get to work. Here are 3 simple and effective exercises you can do at home. No special equipment needed. Exercise 1. Sit down and stand up slowly. This mimics a movement we do countless times a day, getting in and out of a chair, sofa, or bed. First, find a sturdy chair. Sit on the edge, feet shoulder-width apart. Second, move your feet back slightly, then slowly stand up, using your legs and glutes. Third, when sitting down, lower yourself slowly. Control is key to building strength. Now, if you have trouble standing up, start by using the arm of the sofa for support. The important thing is to do the movement safely and slowly. Repeat 10 times, 2 or 3 times a day. Why it's so good? It works your muscles in a coordinated way, preparing you for everyday activities. Just by standing up and sitting down, you increase strength and endurance in your legs. The controlled movement improves your coordination and balance. And if you want to increase the intensity as you get stronger, You can do more repetitions or use a lower chair. Pro tip: don't use momentum. Go slow and steady to really strengthen those leg muscles. Exercise 2. Step up and down a step. This simple but powerful exercise focuses on strengthening your gluteus medius, a crucial muscle for balance and stability. First, choose your step. Use the first step of a staircase or a low, stable bench. Second, step up. Place one foot on the step and push through until the other foot joins it. Third, step down. Lower one foot at a time, slowly and with control. Fourth, do this movement 10 to 20 times with each leg, taking your time. Pro tip: maintain your balance. Use support if you need it, and when you feel more secure, try doing it without holding on. This helps strengthen your hips and improve balance. Start with a lower step and increase the height as you gain confidence. This exercise helps you stay steady, especially when going up and down hills or stairs. Exercise 3. Step down from the step with control. First, stand on a step or the bench you used before, holding on for support if needed. Second, slowly lower one foot toward the ground, as if you're stepping on eggshells. Then bring that foot back to the step. Third, do this 10 times with each leg. This movement strengthens your leg control and helps you descend stairs more safely. Pro tip: if you can, try doing this exercise with a little weight, holding a light dumbbell 5 to 7 kilograms, or wearing a weighted vest. This boosts the effect of the exercise and helps you get even stronger. This exercise is special because it uses what we call eccentric strengthening. This means that as you lower yourself slowly, your muscles lengthen while they're contracting. This type of movement is one of the most effective ways to build muscle mass quickly, especially in your legs. During the exercise, focus on keeping your knee aligned with your foot, preventing it from collapsing inward. This helps protect your knee and prevent injuries. Supercharge your leg strength with supplements. Now, with these simple exercises, you'll feel more steady on your feet and more confident in your movements. Do these exercises every day, at your own pace. If you need to, hold on to the handrail and take it easy. The important thing is to practice regularly so these movements become easier over time. Beyond exercise, is there anything else you can do to strengthen your legs? Absolutely. If you want to enhance your results, you can use some important supplements such as creatine and whey protein. These supplements are extensively studied and have been shown to be effective for those who want to improve muscle strength and endurance, especially as they age. Creatine, fuel for your muscles. Creatine is a supplement that helps provide more energy to your muscles, particularly during strength and resistance exercises. It's like extra fuel for your muscles, helping you perform exercises with more power and recover faster between sets. Now, many people ask, is creatine bad for my kidneys? In fact, when used in the correct doses, creatine does not pose risks to the kidneys in healthy individuals. It can slightly increase creatinine levels, so it's important to tell your doctor that you're using creatine during your checkups. Whey protein, the muscle builder. What about whey protein? Whey protein is a high-quality protein that your body absorbs easily. It's great for muscle recovery, helping to rebuild muscles after exercise, especially because as we age, our ability to absorb protein decreases. If you don't drink milk, you can use vegan whey, which has practically the same effectiveness. Take whey after your workout, as it helps your muscles recover and get stronger. Essential nutrients for strong bones and joints. In addition to creatine and whey, it's also important to take care of your bone health, especially as you get older. Nutrients like vitamin D, which you can get from more sun exposure or supplements, and calcium are essential for keeping bones strong and preventing fractures. These nutrients help ensure you have a good bone foundation to support the muscles you're strengthening through exercise. Take action today. If you want to have a more active and independent older age, start strengthening your body and muscles today. These exercises and supplements are like a reserve of strength and health for the future. With dedication, you'll be building a foundation that will allow you to live independently, healthily, and full of vitality. Where do you want to be in 10 years? Doing what you love, or limited by a lack of strength? I hope you'll be in good health and enjoying life. Did you like the video? Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to leave a comment below telling us about your experience or questions on the subject. And remember, always consult a doctor and make informed choices to protect your health. Want to keep learning about health? Also, watch these videos. What your doctor won't tell you about drinking water on an empty stomach. And my playlist about fatty liver and how to improve it, one of the most complete on the subject. Thank you for watching. May God bless us with health and life. Let's work together to promote the well-being of all. Subscribe for more health videos.